Go.
Hello students, today I am explaining you 10th class, chapter 7, coordinate geometry, here example 12. So first I read the question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 2, -2 and B -7, 4. So let us solve the question. So first we write the line segmenting points. So A is what? 2, -2 and B is -7, 4. So in this question we have to find out the coordinates of the point of trisection. Tri means what? 3. Now this line segment divide into 3 parts or 3 segments is called what? Trisection. See, now this is what? 2 parts. Let this dividing point is P, and one more, this is what? Q. Now this AB is divided into 3 parts, AP and PQ and QB. Now this P is dividing the AB in the ratio of 1:2, because left side we are having 1 part and right side we are having 2 parts. And Q divides the AB into 2:1, because the left side we are having 2 parts and the right side we are having 1 part. So first I am going to find P. Then the first point coordinates x1, y1 and the second point coordinates x2, y2. Now write the section formula. X is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So in this formula we want to substitute these points. See, I am writing x is equals to m1. So this is the m1 and it is the m2. m1 is 1 into x2. x2 is -7 plus m2. m2 is what? 2 into x1. x1 is 2 by m1 plus m2 is what? 1 plus 2, comma y is equals to m1 is 1 into y2 is what? 4 plus m2 is 2 into y1. y1 is what? -2 by 1 plus 2. Now simplified it, x is equals to 1 into -7, -7 plus 2 to the 4 by 1 plus 2 is what? 3, comma y is equals to 1 4 the 4 plus into minus minus 2 to the 4 by 3. Now its value is x is equals to -7 plus 4 is -3 by 3, and y is equals to 4 minus 4 is a 0 by 3. So we cancel it is one time. So x is equals to what? -1, and y is equals to 0 by anything is what? 0. Therefore P is equals to -1, 0. Yes. Next we need to find out the value of Q. Now it is m1 and this is what? m2. So substitute this x1, y1 and x2, y2 and these m1, m2 values in this formula. Right? X is equals to m1. m1 is 2 into x2. x2 is -7 plus m2. m2 is 1 into x1. x1 is 2 by m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 1. And y is equals to m1. m1 is 2 into y2. y2 is what? 4 plus m2. m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 2 by m1 plus m2. And next x is equals to plus into minus minus, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 2s are 2 by 2 plus 1 is what? 3, comma y is equals to 2 4s are 8 plus into minus minus, 1 2s are 2 by 3. Now x is equals to minus 14 plus 12 is minus 12 by 3, and y is equals to 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3. 3 4s are 12 and here 3 2s are 6. So x is equals to minus 4 and y is equals to 2. Therefore q is equals to minus 4 comma 2. This is answer. Yes. Now here we have one more question from exercise 7.2, 10th question, first bit. Find centroid of the triangle minus 1 comma 3, 6 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 6. So what do you want to find out in this question? Centroid of the triangle. Solution. Given the points are minus 1 comma 3, that is the first point, 6 comma minus 3 is the second point, minus 3 comma 6 is the third point. Let the first point vertices coordinates are x1 y1 and the second point coordinates are x2 y2 and third point coordinates are x3 y3. Now write the centroid formula. X is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and make it box. X is equals to x1. x1 is what? Minus 1 plus x2. x2 is 6 plus x3 is what? Minus 3 by 3, comma y is equals to y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 3 plus y3 is what? 6 by 3. Now simplified it this. If we simplified this, we get x is equals to minus 1 plus 6 is what? 5 and plus into minus minus 3 by 3, comma y is equals to 3 plus into minus minus 3 plus 6 by 3. This plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. So x is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2 by 3, comma y is equals to 6 by 3. The 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x is equals to 2 by 3, comma y is equals to 2. Therefore centroid point x comma y is equals to 2 by 3 comma 2. This is the answer.